Hey everyone, in this video I will explain you that why we need to learn programming. So you may be thinking that you want to learn Arduino and build robots and other projects. Then why don't we just move to building projects? Or maybe Arduino is electronics concept. Why we need to learn computer science stuff first? So creating a project consists of mainly three things: an idea, a design and hardware, and a code. Idea is the creation of your mind and you can create anything there. While design and hardware, it's the electronic stuff. And the third one, code, it's the programming part. There you need to write a program and then you can use it in your project. However, most of the codes are already available on the internet. You can download or cram them and then you can use them in your projects. But there you are using someone else's code. They have written there according to their requirements. But what if you have different kind of requirements? So, by cramming codes, we can only build limited features in any project. Think about it. What if you want to create something new or you want to add any feature that is not in that project before? In that case, you need to know how the Arduino is doing all these, how programs are working, and how you can create one by your own. And learn to create programs by yourself will increase your creativity. After learning programming, you will exactly know how you can add any new feature to your project or how you can create a completely new project. So here, we will begin with very simple codes and easiest projects. Then step by step, we will move towards creating big projects with our self-created programs. And you can test your knowledge by adding different kind of features in those projects. And once we master our programming, we will create those projects that attracts you towards learning Arduino. I can assure you, when we reach there, you don't even need any pre-written code. So this is about why we need to learn programming, and I know you are going to enjoy it. So thanks for watching, and let's begin it with the very next module.